Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Also, if everybody could give me that thumbs up, that like button, I'll share this video with others around YouTube and our community. Well, welcome back. I have another great video for you today. I do have some exciting news. I am right now researching other companies out there that are similar to CCIV Lucid merger, and I think you're going to like this video because it is another potential for a future EV SPAC, a stock company that will be coming out. And this could be, like I said, the next Lucid Motors, the CCIV. And what it is Pollster. Pollster is a Swedish electric vehicle company that has been out. It does have two models out, the Pollster 1, which is its hybrid electric vehicle, and it has a four-cylinder engine. It is a sports car. It does have a starting price about $155,000. The second vehicle, it has the Pollster 2, and this is more of a four-door car that this Swedish electric vehicle company will be making. This car does sell around $50,000 to $60,000. It is produced in the United States and I believe also in China. I am starting to research this company a little bit more, but I actually got this information from one of my viewers. So please also send me those comments down below if you're new to the channel, or if you subscribe, or if you have any good ideas on upcoming stocks to review. I'll be happy to look at those. But looking at this article, from Investor Place. So this is the next Lucid Motors CCIV. 7 things to know about GGPI's Pollster SPAC merger talks. So here's what investors need to know about the potential Pollster and the GGPI SPAC merger. So GGPI is the ticker and is the SPAC company Gores Guggenheim. And SPAC does stand for the Special Purpose Acquisition Company. This is similar to CCIV, and that later went on to merge with Lucid Motors. So this would be the Pollster electric vehicle. So the big 7 things that we do need to know is that the Sweden's Pollster recently received $550 million in external funding last year. So they are starting to build capital. They are starting to build money to grow their company and to grow their electric vehicle. The company does expect to fund a new production line of a new vehicle that is coming out, which is called a Pollster 3. It will be its first electric SUV, and it will be starting production in South Carolina. So the SPAC company, Gores Guggenheim, is currently trading below the IPO SPAC initial public offering, and we'll look at the stock prices now, but they normally start at the $10 per price share, exactly like CCIV did back in its day. This SPAC is raising $750 million via its IPO that was released. It is selling 75 million shares of this stock, and there is a potential business combination with the EV investors that they're anticipating, and this could be a very big deal. So I did want to put it on everybody's radar. And just to give you a side note, I have not purchased any of this stock. I am just looking and researching into it. And but it could definitely be a potential. So according to reports that Pollster could be going public, they would have a valuation of $25 billion should this SPAC merger deal be announced. And that is going back and having a flashback at CCIV Lucid Motors, because this would be very similar. And given its early stages in this discussion, GGPI stock remains highly speculative play right now. So again, we do not know if this company these two SPACs will be merging, but we do definitely have to watch. So this other article, why Gores Guggenheim could be the next Churchill Capital, is from an article by Seeking Alpha. And here I did want to just bring down some very important information for us investors. Goldberg recently reported that Gores Guggenheim, the GGPI, would be talking to EV maker Pollster and making it public to the similar CCIV fiasco that we had earlier this year. And we'll kind of go back and look at what happened with the CCIV stock at the very beginning and leading up to its merger announcement. But Pollster has strong ties to Giggly and Volvo, and they have very big ties to GGPI, and this could have a potential boom such as the stock did on CCIV. So this would give us a chance to get in early if we did. So the stock GGPI, the SPAC, isn't just a boom candidate with a mere short-term potential, but Pollster has established a legitimate automaker and should be enabled in long-term growth as it rewards early buyers in this stock if they do merge. And recently, as I have reported from Bloomberg, they came out alleging that Gores Guggenheim, the SPAC, which is the GGPI, is in talks with the Pollster company to bring it public at $25 billion valuation. So it definitely has big potential, big companies behind it if this merger or these two companies are going to be combining, but we are definitely going to have to see. Now, the biggest reason why I'm bringing this up is that whenever CCIV did have all those rumors, the shares, when we look at this, the shares of CCIV stock skyrocketed. It went up just in a month and days after it was published, and the shares went up by 550% above the stock price at $10 whenever it was starting off at the SPAC, the CCIV. And it reached a high of $64.86. So then after that, we know the history of CCIV and Lucid whenever we did have our plummet, and recently we had the great news that the merger did go through. But going back to this does give us a nice potential to watch this stock and to potentially buy a little bit of shares just to see if we have the same excitement that we did have with CCIV and Lucid Motors to bring this stock up. This is a Swedish automaker, Pollster. It is a legitimate electric car company. They are already producing two models, as I had mentioned, the Pollster Model 1 and the 2. So as we can see, Pollster 1 is produced in China, and it is by a facility that is owned in Pollster, and then Pollster 2, which is the four-door, more of the sedan, it's currently produced by a facility that is owned by Geely. However, Pollster owns its production facility that does produce the Pollster 1, and this is they're making 500 units per year of this electric hybrid sports car. It is, I did want to let you know, Pollster 1 is a hybrid sports car. It does have a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine along with an electric motor. If you run the vehicle just on electricity alone, I believe it's on a single charge, it can travel up to 50 miles, 56 miles, I believe. However, the Pollster 2 is fully electric, 100% electric. Now, it has a range of 233 miles on one single charge. So again, if we look at Lucid Motors, now you know why I was such a big bullish on Lucid Motors, because of its technology, of its over 500 miles per charge. But going back to this company does have that potential. So it's definitely a stock that we need to look into. If we go back at this stock, its ticker symbol is GGPI, and it is Gores Guggenheim. And as I have said, we're just reviewing this stock. I have not purchased any. I cannot tell you when to buy, when to sell your stock. Please do your own due diligence. This is for entertainment purposes only. And this SPAC did come out on May 18th. As I mentioned, as SPACs do, it came out as $10. And it did have some sell-offs. The lowest that we've had is $9.70. It looks like was its 52-week low, and its 52-week high. It looks like we did test $10.69, which was just at the beginning of July, just a few weeks ago. But this is a stock that we might want to keep on our radar. When you look at the trading ranges of it, Let me go back here. So as you can see, it's a 5-day is up by 0.5%. I mean, it's pretty much trading sideways. We're staying around that $10 price. We're dipping low, below $10 at $9.90, and we're going, if we go above $10, I mean, it's, $10.50, 60 cents. So again, this company, we do not know who it is going to be acquiring through this SPAC, but there are rumors out there that it could be Pollster. If it is Pollster, you could have a potential to see a ride up or an excitement like we did see in CCIV. Now, I did want to compare this to CCIV just because CCIV was a SPAC as well, which stood for Churchill Capital, and it did acquire Lucid Motors, which will now, as of Monday, be trading as LCID. Very exciting news about that. But as you can see, let me go back as far as we can go on this. So Churchill Capital Corp. for CCIV started trading in September 18th, 2020. And whenever it debuted as a SPAC, it does come out as $10. So you can see this price was very similar to what GGPI is now. So it was trading at $9.89, and it was trading like this very sideways until you hit January. So January 8th, 2021, the rumors did start coming out, especially around January 15th, that CCIV was in talks with Lucid Motors and that this would be a merger coming through, a reverse merger coming through this company. Instead of Lucid Motors doing an IPO, they went through this SPAC. Very similar right now is GGPI is in talks with Pollster to go public with its electric vehicle. And the reason why I wanted to show you this is, let's kind of zoom in here, but you could see that its stock went from going back to about $10, and within a matter of, let's take a look here, within a matter of about 1.5 months, January 8th to February 18th, we had a over 500% increase, according to the article. According to just looking at this stock price here, we went up by 478%. So this is kind of why I wanted to bring it to your radar, bring it to your attention. Well, I did want to put this stock, the GGPI, on your radar. It is right now just a speculation play. We are just watching it. I have not bought any shares, and I'm not telling you if you should buy or sell any of these stocks. This is for education purposes only. Please do your due diligence or contact your financial advisor before making any purchase. This does give us a chance to watch this stock, and that, according to Bloomberg, if GGPI is in talks right now with Pollster, that is great news, and it could be a great catalyst in the future if these two decide to join a relationship to put the Pollster in the stock market. Right now, I think that there is a nice catalyst that could be. We just need to watch more news, and I can do follow-up videos if you would like. Please leave me comments down below if you are interested in GGPI and if you would like to see further videos on this. So please give me that thumbs up so this can be shared with others, that like button. Also, please hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, so you can grow this channel, and hit me that comment down below that you subscribed so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. But thank you so much for all your support and all your help, and I'll see you at the next one. Thank you. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.